Hi everyone. Now today I'm here to share with you how we can profit from the gold market. So you might ask, why invest in gold? Well, as a commodity, gold offers a number of benefits over the other investment classes, including deeper market liquidity, greater leverage, and the option for physical delivery on the contract, among others. Now have a look at this chart. This is the trend for gold price over the last 10 years. Now, back in August 2004, the price was around 300 US dollar, and it hit a maximum price of 1,920 US dollars back in 2011 and slowly dropped to around the 1,200 US dollar mark. Okay, now the lowest gold price since 2010 is 1,132 US dollars, and it never break below 1,100 US dollar mark. Why is that? Well, it's simply because of the gold mining cost. Now, here's the breakdown of the gold mining cost. Feel free to Google it. Note that this is just an average since some different companies have different figures. Okay, and if gold price dips below 1,200 US dollar per ounce, then there's probably about 30% of the gold mining industry becomes unprofitable below that threshold, and a serious production cutbacks are likely. So these are warned by World Gold Council. So this is the main reason why the price of gold has never break down below the 1,100 US dollar mark since 2010. Okay, so with the current gold price ranging from 1,130 to 1,200 US dollar per ounce, and the gold mining cost price being at about 1,100 US dollar, it's pretty much the best time to invest in gold since it's cheap. Okay, now that we've understand why this is the best time to invest in gold, let's look at the ways that we can invest in the gold market. Now, option 1 is the most traditional way. It's not recommended for short-term investment because, for example, even if you make 20% after 6 months when you sell it, the people who buy it from you, they deduct about 15 to 20% of the market price, so you're at best breaking even. Okay, option 2 is buying from commercial bank, which they call it a bank paper gold. It's similar to option 1. There's pretty much no leverage. It's 1-to-1 ratio, and basically you just have to buy and hold. Okay, and there's option 3, which is what I'm about to share with you today. It's the best trading platform for short-term investment, and it happens every single seconds and minute. Okay, it's called Contract Gold, and it's using the forex method to trade gold. Now, don't mistaken this as forex trading, because trading currency, basically the risk is a lot higher compared to gold trading, because gold trading is a value-based trading compared to currency trading, which depends on a lot of factors, i.e. the economy of a particular country, so on and so forth. Now, remember what I said earlier, that since gold is a commodity like silver and crude oil, basically gold offers a number of benefits over the other investment classes, including deeper market liquidity, greater leverage, and the option for physical delivery on the contract, amongst others. Okay, so today it's purely on gold trading, right? So how do we trade contract gold then? Well, this is exactly what I'm about to show you. For those of you who aren't familiar with MT4, it's short for MetaTrader 4. It is an electronic trading platform which is widely used by online retail foreign exchange speculative traders, and it was developed by MetaQuant software, and it was released back in 2005. So this software is licensed to foreign exchange brokers who provide the software to their clients. Okay, so in other words, MT4 is the world renowned and internationally established platform. So if a broker doesn't use MT4, then you gotta be aware. You gotta be careful, because MT4 provides full transparency on each and every single trade. So now that you've understand the reason to invest in gold and the platform to use, let's look at the $1,000,000 question: how to trade. Now, I'm not asking you to trade on your own if you're a beginner, because that's a cost on its own. Okay, and there's a million reasons why you shouldn't trade gold on your own if you're not an experienced trader. Okay, so today I'm introducing GM Trader, who will be trading on your behalf. Now, GM Trader is not a company. GM Trader is a team of expert gold mechanism traders, which means they need profit to continuously help grow the fund. Okay? Note that I say a team. Yes, that's exactly the reason why you shouldn't be trading gold on your own if you're not experienced, because your decisions might be emotionally driven. Okay? So having a team of experts to brainstorm is a great benefit. Okay? So why GM Trader then? It's simple. Since 2013, since the very first day, the team has consistently provided an average net profit of plus minus 5% per month to their investors. And yes, you heard me right, plus minus 5%. That's around plus minus 60% per year. Okay? However, it's not a fixed income. You gotta take this into consideration because it's based on profit sharing. Okay? They will be using a master account to manage your funds, and they trade based on technical and fundamental analysis, right? Then you might ask, why master account? Or if GM Trader is able to run away with your money, right? Those are great questions, okay? You see, GM Trader can't access your fund for withdrawal purposes. Only Trump FX, in which this case is the broker that we use, can do this, okay? And even with that, they need your permission for any withdrawal purposes, okay? So based on the arrangement, your money is always with the broker, and GM Trader is only helping you to trade on your behalf. So as you can see from this simple chart, when you deposit your money to your account, basically you've given the permission for the broker to transfer your money into the master account, which GM Trader will trade on your behalf. That's all they can do, okay? And whenever they distribute their profit, the profit sharing will go directly into your account. So you can always withdraw your principal from the master account at any given time. So there's no lock-in duration like the banks, okay? And profit sharing will be direct debited into your personal account, where you can also withdraw at any given time. But note that this profit cannot be compounded in the master account. You will have to make a separate deposit if you wish to top up, right? So who is this Trump FX? It's one of the world leading forex broker, okay? So in this case, Trump FX is the broker that GM Trader have been using, not only because they use MT4, but also because they have negotiated a special rate for all their investors, okay? And Trump Investment Managers, LLC, is the parent company. Feel free to do your own research on the company, okay? Now, here are all the facts and figures for those of you who are interested about the Trump Investment Managers, LLC company, which is the parent company. Now, whilst I can't predict the future, it is definitely safe to say that for a company that's been established for more than 10 years, personally, I think it's a strong company. Okay? And here's the board of directors. Again, feel free to do your own research. And this is their contact details. Their office is based in the British Virgin Islands, and basically majority of brokers are registered in the British Virgin Islands because it's a tax-free country. Okay, and like I said before, feel free to do your own research. However, I would like to point out that if you haven't heard about Scam Advisor, you should check this out. Basically, Scam Advisor is one of the world's leading scam checker. So in this case, if you're wondering how legit is this Trump FX, check it out yourself. All right. So now let's head over to the spreadsheet and MT4 platform to have a look at the trading history, shall we? So here's the spreadsheet showing all the trading transactions back until December 2013. And as you can see here, the ones that are highlighted in yellow are the losses. So obviously, nothing is 100%. And the most important thing here is the winning versus the losing ratio, right? So as you can see here, let's even starting from March 2014 up until March 2015, there's only probably about 3 to 4 losses. Okay, so this is a very transparent trading history, which basically I've extracted from MT4. So just to show you where I got this data, let's head over to MT4. Right, so let's pick one of the transactions, which is the 2nd of March. So the buying price is 1215 and the selling price is 1222.4. So let's head over to 2nd of March. So 1215, 1222.4. So that's the one. And let's look at another one. This one here, which is the 12th of March, 1154.77 and selling at 1162.83. 12th of March, 1154.77, 1162.83. So as you can see, it's very transparent, so there's nothing to hide and there's no way for GM Trader to, run away with your money or do anything unscrupulous to your money that you have invested. So hence what I mentioned before, MT4 is a very transparent and it's a renowned and one of the most established trading platform in the world. So you can rest assured that your funds are in good hands. So I'll just quickly show you a simulation here. So say for example, if you were to invest, say for example, $3,000 US dollars initially back in December 2013, by now your net profit would have been $2,337.05. Okay, so it's about 78% return, right? So it's a very profitable investment. Obviously there's risk involved, but like I mentioned earlier, the most important thing is to look at the winning versus losing ratio. Okay, so let's head back to the presentation slide. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, why am I showing you this? If this is such a good investment, why wouldn't we just keep it to yourself, right? Well, we need more investors to grow our funds and profits. It's as simple as that. However, I would like to point out that we only accept a limited number of investors each month because we only want to grow this at a moderate pace. So if you're serious about diversifying your investment portfolio, then click on the link below this video to fill out your application form. Okay, one of our team members will be in touch with you should you be shortlisted to be part of this elite group. All right. So once again, I thank you for your time and to abundance and health. See you on the other side and talk soon.